today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making pasta alla Norma. Yes, it's pasta alla Norma. It's a very famous dish in Italy, and the two main ingredients for it is to use the Ricotta Salata, which is the salted ricotta, and it's specially made from sheep milk, and the eggplant. These are the two main ingredients in it. So first we're gonna fry the eggplant. Let's start with the eggplant first. Voila, just got both ends and just give it a little quick peel. Now we're gonna preheat our frying pan. Olive oil, eggplant, voila, salt, and we're gonna fry them till golden brown. You can see here, start getting the color, the golden brown color, and make sure the eggplant has to be soft all the way. And to me, it's good to go. It's gonna turn off, and I'm gonna transfer it into the plate. And I have the waters boiling for the pasta, and the pasta I'm using a bucatini. Bucatini is a type of pasta. It looks like a spaghetti, a little bit bigger than spaghetti. Bucatini number 8, and it has a hole in the middle. Why I like to use it? Because when you mix it with a tomato sauce not just coated from the outside the pasta, so it's kind of filled up inside as well. That is my favorite. You can use any pasta you want. So it's a bucatini number 8. Go in, and I'm gonna add a little tiny bit oil, bit salt as well. And we're gonna let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for the pasta. We're gonna make the basic tomato sauce for it. So turn on, and I still have the oil from the eggplant, and I have here some fresh garlic. I smushed them with the knife. Nice. So we're gonna cook the garlic, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes with it. Nice, look at this. The garlic is getting caramelized, and now we're gonna add the plum tomatoes. And salt. Let's break it apart a little bit here, and then we're gonna add the crushed tomato after this one cook a little bit. Now we're gonna add the crushed tomatoes, give it a little stir, and cover it up, and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Let's check our pasta here. Beautiful, nice, nicely done, al dente. Now turn off, and we'll move the pasta. Voila. I'm gonna do ice bath for it, which is I put ice and water to cool down that pasta. Now I'm gonna chop some fresh basil for the tomato sauce. Perfect. And let's check on the tomato sauce here. Nice, look at this. Now if you find there's still some chunky tomatoes, just grab the spoon and smush them up. We want to keep it chunky a little bit. And what I'm going to add here, this is my personal taste, I'm gonna add some ricotta cheese to it as well. I'm gonna make it a little creamy. Beautiful. I'm gonna add the fresh basil I chopped. Give it a little mix, turn off, and our tomato sauce good to go. Put some tomato sauce. Little pasta. Beautiful. Just give it a little quick mix and good to go on the plate. Voila, nice. Now you use the cheese just like this, pieces on top. Don't be afraid to use your hand. And this is the real pasta alla Norma. Eggplant. And some fresh basil right on top. And let's give a try now. It's a little hot, but tastes amazing. So, pasta alla Norma, I use the bucatini noodle, and I use the main ingredient for it, which is the eggplant, the fried eggplant, and the Ricotta Salata, which is the salted ricotta cheese, and the real one made from sheep milk. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.